guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Peaches and Petals subscription. This is for May. This is $19.99 a month. You guys know the drill. This is a lifestyle subscription. It has numerous fun... Oh, and she's here. Who's she sleeping? Items for women, for, you know, every sort of thing that you could imagine could be in here. So this is the May box, and here's everything that we received. Hey, it's May. We think May is the perfect time for a bike ride. Dust off your pedals and go for a ride around the neighborhood. Try biking to your favorite hangout spot instead of driving. Don't know how to ride? It's never too late to learn. Give it a try and don't forget. Practice makes perfect. You got this. What exclusive deals? So you can get like some free, daily deals sent to your phone. First item is an Ultra Spa kit. Ooh, it's from Body Luxuries. They send a lot of items from Body Luxuries. It's like a face cleanser, but there's also a little like a makeup sponge pad, and I'm thinking that's to apply foundation or whatever. That's really cute. I'm gonna try this out. All right, next we have, ooh, these are really cute sunglasses. So these actually have a retail price on them. I'm just gonna take them out of here. Here they are. They're like super kind of 50s-ish. These are Foster Grant, and they retail for $14.99. So there's that. They're nice. I like these. Looks 50. What do you think? Do you like them? She said yes. Okay. Next we have... oh, so these are for your bike ride, right? While you're riding your bicycle? But always be aware of what you're doing. All right, so this is Body Verde 100% natural skincare age-correcting moisturizer. Firm skin and adds hydration, reduces the appearance of wrinkles. I'll have to try this out. I've never heard of this line, but I am excited to try it. Okay, so finally we have Sweet Dreams Dream Journal Kit and eye mask. Ooh, this is really cute. So we went to the beach. Look at this. And my throat is kind of dry from that, I guess. I don't know. So this is from NPW. Oh, they have like really cute little items. So there's a sleep mask and a dream journal to write down your dreams, which is really cute. That's everything that I received in my Peaches and Petals for May. Cute subscription, $19.99 a month. Kind of can't beat that. You got the face brusher washer, some cutie sunglasses that retail for almost what the box costs, skin cream, and an eye mask and dream journal. Fun. You can, if you need to like, say you need a quick gift, these make great little gifts. Always a pleasure. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I will also link to Peaches and Petals so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.